Hey guys, it's us again, Al and Wordy. You know us. I'm gonna do some weightlifting tonight because I'm addicted to supermarket weightlifting. Here we have two supermarket hand baskets. Can you guess how many bottles are in here? What is this? 32 ounces, right? I'm gonna lift these two just for exercise here, okay? So where should we put Wordy? Where should we put him, huh? Let's have him hang here, like this. Okay. All right, so here we go. I'm a little tired. I can't do that many with, you know, so many bottles in here. It's fucking heavy, man. Here we go. Oh man, the bottle's gonna fall out. Here we go. Yeah, be a savage. See, I can squat and hold them up with my hands here. How long can you sit in this position, right? You're just standing here with the weight, even if you can't curl it. Your body's doing the work, see? Lean over, make your body strong. Like an animal. Here we go. Let's do it again. Okay, now we don't always need a lot of weight. Okay, even with a little bit of weight, you can make your body do some work. Right? Am I working? I'm working. Right? It doesn't have to be a lot of weight. Okay. So let's see. Don't have any light, but look, you gotta keep pressure on it, right? This is a lot of weight, guys. So just lighten the load and you'll be okay. Okay, let's take some of these out. Okay. Now this is easier to work with. I can have more fun with this. See? See? Don't forget Wordy. Now let's go do something different, huh? Kind of heavy, guys, kind of heavy. Let me see. A couple more of these. Here we go. Two more bottles up. Here we go. Okay, let's take a break. Let's take a break. Let's just do a plank. Yeah, this is an eye patch around my neck. It should be on my eye, but I'd rather have it here. Okay? Don't forget Wordy. Wordy's here with us. We're just working out with Wordy. Work with Wordy. All right. Ooh, he's singing. What'd you say, buddy? Okay. All right, guys. I think that might be it for the night. Okay? Don't forget, you can always work out. Always do a little more. Wordy's going to sleep. I'll catch you guys later. How the hell do you put this thing on, huh? Oh, like this? Did you see the shorts? Shorts? Come on, buddy. You're grabbing my hair now. I love this one right here. Wordy loves you. Good night.